Imagine when you feel unwell, being able to access professional medical advice anytime without worrying about insufficient medical resources or long waiting times. This is exactly the possibility that artificial intelligence brings to the medical field. But the question is, are these AI medical assistants truly reliable? Can they truly understand our health needs? Today, let's look at the real performance of AI in the medical field through OpenAI's newly released HealthBench evaluation benchmark. Before delving into HealthBench, let's first look at the practical challenges faced by medical AI. The first is the dilemma of information access. Imagine a patient in a remote area who may not be able to receive timely advice from a professional doctor, or a busy office worker who feels unwell late at night and finds it difficult to seek immediate medical attention. These scenarios highlight the real issue of uneven distribution of medical resources. Next is the complexity of professional judgment. Medical decisions often require comprehensive consideration of multiple factors. For example, the same symptoms may correspond to different diseases, while different patients may require different treatment plans. This complexity makes it difficult for AI systems to make accurate judgments. Finally, there is the challenge of communication. Medical information needs to be both professional and easy to understand. For doctors, it is necessary to accurately convey professional advice. For patients, it is necessary to understand these recommendations and take action. This two-way communication challenge places high demands on AI systems. In the face of these challenges, HealthBench provides a systematic evaluation framework. This framework is not a simple multiple-choice test, but simulates 5 real doctor-patient dialogue scenarios. These scenarios come from 262 doctors from 60 countries, covering everything from routine consultations to emergency situations. In terms of evaluation methods, HealthBench adopts a multidimensional evaluation system. The system evaluates AI performance across 5 key dimensions: accuracy, 33%, completeness, 39%, context awareness, 16%, communication quality, 8%, and instruction compliance, 4%. Each evaluation criterion has been validated by a team of doctors, ensuring that the evaluation results meet the requirements of medical practice. The research results yielded some unexpected findings. The most surprising aspect was that AI's performance in certain tasks has already surpassed that of doctors not using AI assistants, particularly in processing medical records and making preliminary diagnoses. AI demonstrated impressive capabilities. Even more interestingly, when doctors attempted to improve AI's responses, they were able to enhance the quality of the September 2024 version's answers, but for the April 2025 version's responses, the doctors couldn't make substantial improvements. This reflects significant progress made by the AI system in just a few months. The study also yielded interesting findings regarding the reliability of evaluations. The AI's scoring system demonstrated reliability comparable to doctors' judgments, indicating that AI can effectively understand and apply medical evaluation standards. However, there were significant differences in scores given by different doctors to the same response, reflecting the inherent complexity and subjectivity of medical judgment. Interestingly, the study also found that the length of responses showed only a small correlation with quality, with a correlation coefficient of just 0.123 in the latest A3 model. This suggests that AI doesn't improve quality by increasing response length, but rather by genuinely enhancing the substantive content of responses. HealthBench's evaluation method is significantly different from traditional assessment systems. It adopts scoring criteria tailored to specific examples, rather than using fixed standard answers. Each evaluation scenario has its unique scoring criteria, which are established by professional doctors based on specific situations. More importantly, these criteria have been validated by multiple doctors, forming a consensus standard, ensuring the reliability and professionalism of the evaluation. The system also adopts an innovative worst-at-K analysis method. This method can measure the AI's performance in the worst-case scenarios, which is particularly important for medical applications. Another feature of HealthBench is that it considers the needs of both general users and medical professionals simultaneously, which makes the evaluation results more comprehensive and practical. The evaluation covers doctors from 60 countries and 26 medical specialties, ensuring the broad representativeness of the evaluation results. Let's look at the progress of AI medical assistance through specific data. In terms of overall performance, we see a clear progression curve, from 16% for GPT 3.5 Turbo to 32% for GPT-4o, and then to 60% for the latest O3 model. This rate of progress is impressive. In terms of cost-effectiveness, small models have also made significant progress. Taking GPT 4.1 Nano as an example, it not only outperforms GPT-4o in performance, but also reduces costs by 25 times. This means that even in resource-limited regions, high-quality AI medical advice can be obtained. Despite significant progress, AI medical assistants still face some important challenges. In terms of handling complex scenarios, on the HealthBench hard test set, the current highest score is only 32%. This indicates that AI still has much room for improvement in handling complex medical scenarios. In practical applications, HealthBench currently primarily evaluates single dialogues rather than complete medical workflows. This means we still need more research to assess the impact of AI on actual health outcomes. Additionally, the distribution of test cases may need to adjust as the field of medical AI continues to develop, and some scoring criteria may have ambiguity or subjectivity, all of which require continuous improvement in future research. The release of HealthBench provides an important evaluation framework for the development of medical AI. Through this benchmark, we see the potential of AI in the medical field and also recognize the directions that require continued efforts.